stars, see the moon. I watch the universe together with you. It's written in dust, so for a lifetime. It's not enough for me to be with you.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up? So you guys, of course, you can tell by the title, we are getting into some makeup today, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Of course, the brows are done, so if you want a more detailed tutorial on that, go ahead and check out the gallery because that is in there. I will also link it in the description box down below. But for this tutorial today, we are going to be starting off with the eyes. Now, to prep the eyes, I'm going to be using some of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer. I like a very clean, smooth base, and this concealer right here gives that, okay? It gives that completely. As we blend out the concealer over our eyelid, let me tell y'all, I found these e.l.f. strips. Y'all, I swear I've had these for like a year. I'm not sure if they still sell them in store, but they keep you from going too far over on your makeup. It keeps, you know, it's a nice little guide, you know. So if y'all see these at Target or Walmart, pick them up because they definitely help, especially if you are a beginner and working with eyeshadow, okay? And speaking of eyeshadow, we are going to be using the Morphe 35A Makeup Artistry, I think that's what it's called. No, Up Till Dawn Artistry palette, y'all. This palette is everything, and the shade that we are currently using as our transition shade is Nude Swim. Y'all, I can already tell this is getting ready to be my shade, my transition shade for every color, because look at it, it is bomb. But anyways, you guys, I am just taking this shade and I am patting it into my skin, and then I am using windshield wiping motions and blending it out, and I just continue doing that until the eyeshadow is blended to my liking. Now, the next shade that we are going to be going in with is Nocturnal. Y'all, I love the color green, and the more I play with the color green, the more I just love the color green, okay? I just don't know why that seems to be like my color lately, but this isn't the first green look that I have done on this channel, so y'all gotta check out some of the other videos. But anyways, you guys, this green was everything. I wanted to kind of just go with, you know, a color that was bold, but I could also, you know, wear, you know, that's something that's wearable, because you know sometimes colors can be so bold that they're not wearable. And yeah, I want bold wearable looks, so that is what the mood is, and I feel like green be giving that. But anyway, child, the next shade that we are going in with is the shade in Deep. I wanted something that was really going to just tie this look together, whether I decided to wear eyeliner or not, and this shade in Deep did that for me, and I am just adding that to the corners of my eyelids, and that's it. Now, before we go in with this next shade, we are going to just kind of like clean up our eyelids so that this next shade is showing through and is very pigmented, okay? Now, you guys, this next shade isn't what I thought it was going to be, but of course, y'all know we're going to work with what we got. The shade that we are going in with is Flare Dare. Y'all, I thought this color was going to give me that pizzazz, and it did not. It gave me a very subtle pizzazz. I don't know. Maybe that's what we needed for this look. I have no idea. But yeah, if you can see it, you can see it. You can see it. But you guys, I am just going back in with some of the leftover eyeshadow from that shade Nocturnal, and I am just blending out and just making sure everything is just smooth and transparent and just looking really good. Now that we have completed the eyes, we are going to go in with the NYX Cosmetics pencil eyeliner. You guys, I like this eyeliner because one, it's affordable. Two, you guys, it is very easy to use. It's like a pen, you know, and it is very fine. The tip is very fine, so this is very beginner friendly. And y'all, as you can see, the e.l.f. eye tape helped. It even helped when it came to applying the eyeliner. It was a nice guide. See, easy on the cleanup. But you guys, now we're getting ready to jump into the face. So we are going to be using e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. If you know, you know, this is my go-to primer. Always, okay? Since I bought it, I ain't put it down. But you guys, we're just going to apply that to our entire face to prepare it for foundation. And for foundation, we are going to be using the NARS Soft Matte Foundation in the shade Medium Deep. And of course, I will have this linked in the description box down below. And y'all, I mean it this time. I'm taking my notes. I'm so excited, y'all. Everything you need is gonna be in the description box, okay? Because I know sometimes I'll be a little late on putting stuff in the description box, but listen, it's 2024. We're gonna be on it. We are going to be on it, okay? New things. But anyways, you guys, we are going to just go ahead and blend out this foundation. After blending out our foundation, we are going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer in the shade 350. If you know, you know. Y'all, this is my go-to concealer. Between this and the NARS Creamy Concealer, y'all, please go get it, own it. Let this be your staple concealer in the year 2024, okay? But for those of you that are new to the channel, I like to apply my concealer underneath my eye, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I just recently stopped putting concealer along my jawline just because I've been wanting a little bit more of a softer look these days, and of course like wearable, and I just kind of want to save that for my evening looks. Now let's get into this blending, you guys. I am using the Real Techniques blending brush. You guys, I am not sure exactly what number this brush is, but I will figure it out and put it in the description box down below. But you guys, this brush is everything. I blend out all of my concealer with it. It is giving nice smooth transition. It's looking like I woke up like this, okay? I just love when my makeup is blended very, very well. And I just want to say it's all due to the tools that I use to blend out my makeup. I will say that, okay? Now that our concealer is completely blended out, I like to go in with my Morphe setting and prepping mist and just spray down my face, and I let it dry down for a little bit, and then I like to go in with my OS pink powder, and I like to set all of the areas that I just applied my concealer, because I don't want anything to, you know, be looking, you know, cakey or crack, or you know, just I don't want anything to just look out of place. We need everything looking smooth and setting and staying where it needs to be throughout the day, throughout our time wearing it, okay? So yeah, you guys, as you can see, I'm just going and applying that setting powder to all of the areas that I added my concealer. Now, this is another one of those products that I think everyone should own, and it is the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade, what is the shade? Hold on. Okay, the shade is Cocoa Naughty. You guys, this bronzer right here gives skin. It gives natural. It is smooth like butter going on. I love it. It just feels like it's weightless. It's not even on the skin. And I just love the way that the bronzing shade is so close to, you know, my natural bronzing, you know, is that a thing? I don't know. I could be making something up. I don't know. But I just really like this bronzer. And as you can tell, like, look at the way that it's being used. It's going on very, very nicely. So yeah, y'all, go get this bronzer, okay? This is also something that you should have in your 2024 makeup bag, all right? Okay. But as you can see, I just like to do a round robin around my face. After contouring my nose, I like to go in, contour my cheeks, and then just kind of go around the forehead and just making sure everything is blended out, looking good, looking like skin, looking like, you know, flawless, like we woke up like this, okay? Okay. Now you guys, this wasn't planned. I just did it. I wanted to see what kind of effect it would have on my makeup, on my daytime look, if I just did a light, you know, a little light layer of setting powder, just to kind of, you know, give some cheekbones, like some high cheekbones, you know, give that, you know, that look. We always like that look. But, you know, it didn't do a whole lot, you know. It was good. I liked it. It still kept the look looking very natural. So yeah. But anyways, you guys, I went in with just some of the eyeshadow left on some of the brushes, and I just swiped it underneath my lash line just to kind of close up and bring the look together. Nothing is better than putting eyeshadow on the bottom, okay? Like, you cannot go through and have a super bomb eyeshadow look and then it be bare at the bottom. No, we're not doing that. And because I don't really wear eyeliner on the bottom, I just have to add something. So yeah, we just going in with some of the leftover color and we're just adding it underneath the eye. Okay, so after adding some additional eyeshadow, we are going to go in with our Sephora Golden Hour highlighter in the shade High Noon. Y'all, I've had this highlighter for so long. I'm going to invest in a new one so that we can try it out on the channel very soon. I just, you know, once I find a product I like and it works for me, I just kind of go with it. But you know, there's nothing wrong with change, so we're going to embrace it and we're going to go out and actually look for a new highlighter, okay? But you guys know I like to add my highlighter to my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my chin, a little bit on my forehead, and my cupid's bow. You know, all the places that we added our concealer, you know, because we just don't have anything to pop, all right? But anyways, you guys, after using our highlighter, I like to go in with our Sephora Duo blush. Again, I have had this blush for so long, and it's honestly because when I find something I like, you know what I just said, I keep it, I use it, and I be trying to like really get my money's worth because these products be expensive, you know. But anyways, I like to add that a little bit beneath my highlighter, and I just wanted to kind of rosy up my cheeks. I wanted to just give this look just boom, you know, this is a full glam look right here, y'all. Now, before we add our lashes, I'd like to go in and apply mascara to both the top and the bottom lashes, just so that it gives the lashes something to, you know, stick onto, because ain't no way y'all still walking around with y'all's bottom and y'all top lashes sticking together from your eyelash glue, okay? So this right here is going to prevent that. So adding mascara to the top and the bottom. And as you can see, when I'm adding mascara to the bottom, I like to take the tip of the wand and just kind of like gently swipe it across my lashes down at the bottom, you know, because, you know, I'm not really extending them. I'm just kind of like darkening it up, just, you know, so it's showing that something there, okay? But y'all, per usual, I have no idea where I got these lashes from. Honestly, I think I was trying out a bunch of lashes because I wanted to start a lash line, but now, baby, we just using the lashes until we can figure out how we gonna start the lash line. But anyways, before I go in and apply any lip gloss or liner or anything like that, I like to use my sponge and just kind of like dap away any shine, anything that's going to, you know, that's gonna create a mess while I'm trying to apply my lip liner. But anyways, you guys, this lip liner, I'm sure it is from Ulta Beauty, and it's just a dark brown lip liner. This is the type of dark brown lip liner that I always strive to find. This is like my shade. You can put it with anything, okay, anything. But for the lip, we are going to go in with MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Honey Love, and I paired that with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Sweet Mouth. I just, you know, did a little something to keep the lip looking very natural. And yeah, this is the look. But I really want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to come and kick it with your girl. Thank you so much for watching my content, sharing, liking, you know, and just engaging. I truly appreciate you guys. Y'all let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this look right here. And if you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell so that you can keep up with your girl. And until next time, my peace and love be multiplied, and I will see y'all in my next video.
For me to feel with you.